Flood warning in effect from this afternoon to just after midnight tonight. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Schuylkill River and Redding. When? From this afternoon to just after midnight tonight. Portions of water and canal streets are flooded. At 16.0 feet, flooding occurs along portions of Franklin, Great and Chestnut Streets in Redding. Additional details, at 1:15 p.m. Monday, the stage was 14.0 feet. Forecast, the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 16.0 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage this evening. This crest compares to a previous crest of 16.1 feet on December 14, 1983. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.